Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today in this video we are going to solve two important LeetCode problems. Remove duplicate from the sorted array and remove elements. So these problems may look simple but they teach something very powerful. But how to modify array in place, how to think about space complexity while solving problems. So we'll not rush into the advanced pattern yet. Instead, we will build the logic step by step so your fundamentals become strong. So let's start. First one is the remove duplicate from the sorted array. So given an integer array nums sorted in a non-decreasing order, okay, and remove the duplicates in place such that unique elements appear only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept same. So consider the number of unique numbers in unique elements in the nums to be k, and after removing duplicates, return the number of unique elements k. And the first k element of nums should contain the unique number in the sorted order. Okay, and the remaining element beyond index k minus 1 can be ignored. So here we in the input we get a nums array that's contain a numeric value means 1 1 2 any digit, and here in the output we have to give the how many unique numbers are in this nums. So in this I have only two numbers 1 and 2, so I have to give only the 2 as the output, and also remove the means all remove the from elements from this means all the unique numbers are comes at the initial indexing of this array. So if you see explanation, your function should return k equal to with the first two element of the nums being 1 and 2 respectively. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return, hence they are underscores. And same for the example 2, we have a nums array 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4, and only the 5 are the unique elements 0 1 2 3 and 4, and we have to take out the initial at the initial index all the unique elements means 0 1 2 3 4, and the others we do not have to care about that. So let's write the function here. We are given a function. Let's give the nums as a parameter. So first let n equal to nums dot length and store a temporary array I am taking. Now for let I equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. If this temporary array includes this nums of I value, then just continue. There is no need to add this, else we have to push into this temp dot push nums of I. So by this we create a array, temporary array that's have the all the unique elements in this. Now let's copy all these value temp let I equal to 0, I is smaller than temp dot length and I plus plus. And this for loop is for taking out the all the unique elements at the initial indexing of the nums, because this is also required in this problem. And so here nums of I equal to temp of I, and by this we get all the elements at the initial indexing of the nums, and in last we have to return temp dot length. So let's see, let's format first, run the code. What happened? Okay, just typo mistake, nums. Let's again run this code. Now what? Temp dot includes spelling mistake item. Again run. So these are the some temp means typo mistake, nothing special. So let's submit this. All the both the test cases are accepted. yes, our solution is passed. 362 test cases are passed by this. So here first we make a temporary array, a blank array. Then we start a for loop and we push all the unique element into this temporary array. And after that we also have to give a condition that in the nums array all the unique elements are the initial index. For that again we run a new for loop and copy all the temporary array values into the nums array, and in last we have to return the temp dot length. So uh, temp dot length represent this k. So here condition give here is the remove the duplicate in place, such that means this problem said we do not have to use the extra space, but we use the extra space. So it matters for the large data set, but this is a beginner friendly problem, and this is a DSA Foundation series, so I am not using this in place solution, just this normal one. And now let's second problem is the remove element, LeetCode 27. And in this, given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all the occurrences of val in the nums in place. Again this is in place, and the order of the elements may be changed no matter. Then return the number of elements in the nums which are not equal to val. Okay. Now consider the numbers of element in the nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted you need to do following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of nums contain the element which are not equal to val, similar to this one, and the remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of the num. So both the problems are equal. So in this we are given a basically val, and we have to remove this val value from this nums array. Means here I get the val as 3, and we have to remove this 3 from this array, and also other remaining elements should be come into the initial indexing of this array. So let's start with the let n equal to temp dot nums dot length. Wait. And make a temporary array, let temp equal to blank array. And I'm not doing the in place solution at this time. Means for that we have to first cover the into pointer. Don't worry, we will cover in the upcoming videos, but still we can use the simple for loop here. Let I equal to 0, I is smaller than n, and I plus plus. Now check if nums of I equal to val, this value, then continue. Else push that value into the means temp dot push nums of I, and after that start a for loop, because we already set a one condition that all the other value expect the val are coming to upcoming initial indexing. So let I equal to 0, I is smaller than temp dot length this time, and I plus plus, and same nums of I equal to temp of I, and return the temp dot length. So this one is also similar to the last one. So let's run this. Yes, it accepted. So let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it accepted, and all the 116 test cases are passed. And don't worry about if here you will see 50% or 100%, this will change every time. So don't rely on this always. So here in this code we are first we have to remove the element this val from this nums array. First we initialize an n that represents nums total length and an empty blank array temporary, and then start a for loop that runs from I equal to 0 to last index till the last index, and we check a simple if else condition. If nums of I equal to val, then do nothing else, push them into the array. This temporary array store all the non-val elements that are not equal to this val, and after that start a for loop that take out the all the elements that are not equal to val at the initial index, and in last return this temp dot length. So that was the today's practice. Two solid array problems completed. So the goal right now is not the speed, not the optimize. The goal is the clarity. If you understand how we traverse the array, handle the condition, and modify it carefully, then you are building the right foundation. In upcoming videos, we will start seeing patterns like two-pointer sliding window more clearly. But for now, focusing on mastering the basics is the main. So if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase, and keep practicing daily.